should allow me to go ahead and do this. Why will it not? Oh, add to stage. Sorry, my bad. All right, so I've got a background here, and now I'm going to go over here to brand. And in brand, if you'll scroll down, you'll see background here, and this is one of the default ones. These are some that I made. You can even do a video background. Just keep in mind that that's going to keep up, it's going to take some bandwidth. Let's just say we want a brick or we want a pool. Okay, great. So that's if you have a guest. If you're in solo layout, no can do. So you're going to go to the edit button. I'm going to click this, and let's just say you want quite a bit of your background to show. You can just crop that, and we'll go save, and I'll call it crop 3. Okay, it's going to go back to solo, so then I've got to come over here to crop 3, and there I've got my background, so then I can add whichever background I want. Now let's just say you want to add a background. You're going to click add background, and there are some default, not a bunch. You can add files, and let's see here, I don't think I've done this one. Here's early evening. We'll go open, wait for it to upload, and we'll show that one instead. Okay, then if we went back to this layout, you see you've got it like this, and this layout you've got it like that, like this. You can't do that one. I don't know why. Here's a custom, here's our solo, here's this one. So you're not going to see much of the background. So the only time you're going to really see the background is if you go into this group layout, or if you go into a custom layout that you did. We'll go by the pool. And that's how you change your background. Now let's just say I want a banner on here. I've created one, so let's create a banner. Okay, so we click add banner, show. So you just need to make it a longer one. We want to scroll it. And edit. Let's edit. If you want this to, I hate my Mac. Scroll up across the bottom, click save. Now we're going to show, and it's going to scroll for you. So you'll start out with comments. That's the default right there. Go to banners, you're going to get those. Go to brand, and you're going to have these. So say I wanted to add maybe a spider. It's my little spider I made. Or you want that, or you go to logos, you're going to get this. Hope that helps.